So let's wait for the right time.
Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on Friday served closure notices to 46 shops for not possessing trading or labour licences from Bernihat to Khanapara. The surprise check was conducted in collaboration with stakeholders including the KSU and HNYF. Leading the inspection was KHADC CEM Pinyad Singh CM alongside Alvin Saukume, MDC and other council enforcement officers. Speaking to the media following the inspection, CEM Pinyad Singh CM highlighted the importance of the operation.
Kadao kajingwan kajungi kadai halor ki saupun riu tuli ki dukan ki bala trekam bian klem ki kot kisla jongka council katkum ka United Khasi Hills Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation Act. But nakaliang ka council kalalap ikini dang kinjat benai menta dang arbenai. But ngila shim ye ki kerteng ki jongki. But katkum ki kendon an la aibor ingi ngila pha iki notice ye ki. But one ni syak council.
In a bid to foster awareness and understanding